Maltese dogs and first aid, basic care for common injuries. Maltese dogs are known for their beautiful white coats and affectionate nature. They make wonderful companions and are often considered a member of the family. However, just like any other dog, Maltese dogs are prone to accidents and injuries. As a responsible pet owner, it is important to be prepared and equipped with the knowledge of basic first aid care for your beloved Maltese. In this article, we will discuss some common injuries that Maltese dogs may encounter and how to provide basic first aid care for them. 1. Cuts and wounds. If your Maltese dog sustains a cut or wound, it is important to act quickly to prevent infection and promote healing. The first step is to assess the severity of the injury. If it is a minor cut or scrape, clean the area with warm water and mild soap. Gently pat it dry with a clean towel and apply an antiseptic solution like hydrogen peroxide or chlorhexidine. For deeper wounds or cuts that won't stop bleeding, apply gentle pressure with a clean cloth or sterile gauze pad and seek veterinary assistance immediately. 2. Burns. Accidental burns can occur in Maltese dogs, especially when they come into contact with hot surfaces or chemicals. If your dog suffers a burn, it is important to act swiftly to minimize pain and prevent further damage. Start by flushing the burn with cool running water for around 10 minutes to cool the area down. Avoid using ice or very cold water as it can exacerbate the injury. After flushing, gently pat dry the area and apply an antibacterial ointment like Neosporin. If the burn is severe or covers a large area of the body, seek veterinary help without delay. 3. Choking. Choking is a frightening emergency that can happen to any dog, including Maltese dogs. If you notice your Maltese struggling to breathe, pawing at the mouth, or making choking sounds, it is essential to act quickly. First, try to remove the object causing the obstruction by gently opening your dog's mouth and looking inside. If you can see and safely remove the object, do so. If not, perform the Heimlich maneuver by placing your hands just below the rib cage and applying gentle pressure in an upward motion. Seek veterinary assistance immediately even after successful removal of the object, as additional examination may be required. 4. Poisoning. Accidental poisoning can occur in Maltese dogs if they ingest toxic substances such as household cleaners, medications, or certain plants. If you suspect your Maltese has been poisoned, contact your veterinarian immediately and follow their guidance. They may advise inducing vomiting by administering hydrogen peroxide, but never attempt this without professional advice. Keep any packaging or labels of the substance ingested for reference. Prompt veterinary care is crucial in cases of poisoning to prevent further absorption of the toxic substance. 5. Fractures. Fractures are potential injuries that can occur due to accidents or falls in Maltese dogs. If your dog shows signs of limping or pain, it is important to restrict their movement to prevent further damage. Gently examine the injured limb for any visible signs of swelling, deformity, or an open fracture. Avoid touching or manipulating the affected area to minimize pain. Use a sturdy, flat surface like a board or a folded blanket as a makeshift splint to stabilize the limb. Seek veterinary assistance immediately, as fractured bones require professional care for proper healing. In conclusion, Maltese dogs are lovable companions, but accidents can happen to them, just like any other dog. As responsible pet owners, it is crucial that we are prepared and equipped with basic first aid knowledge to provide immediate care in case of common injuries. Remember to remain calm, assess the severity of the injury, and seek professional veterinary care whenever necessary. By doing so, you can ensure the well-being and health of your beloved Maltese dog.